Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and wanted to do a video, show you a Jeep Wrangler that we actually are getting ready to put on the lot. It's a 2010. Engine in it is a 3.8 liter V6. So we'll do a quick walk around on the outside, and as always we'll go on the inside and take a look at it. But top looks to be in very good condition on this Jeep. You get back here and we'll show you what the back end of it looks like. Now this is a Sahara. This does open up for storage space here. You can see a subwoofer back there. So let me go ahead and back away. Walk around on the driver's side. Very good tread that is left on the tires. Show you that. So go ahead, open up. Show you the interior. There's a door panel. Now we do have some ripping on the seat right here. Seat cover, fix that up nicely. Everything else looks nice in here. Let's go ahead and hop in. So now this is a manual transmission, 6-speed, and here is your shift on the fly. So I'll go ahead and start this up. And you can see as of this video, the miles 111,639. I'll go ahead and back off here and show you steering wheel, nice comfortable grip on your wheel. Up and down window control here. And I'll pan over here, show you now this does have cruise control on it, forgot to mention right here. And your audio over here does have the ability to connect to your Bluetooth on your phone. And heating, cooling controls here. Emergency brake, 2 cup holders, storage area. This lifts up, additional storage there. But you do have 2-tone seats in here. Has the Jeep stitching into the seats. We'll show you up overhead. Stereo speakers back here, lights, additional speaker over here, but the top appears to be in good condition here. Show you the back seat. And go down here, you've got 2 cup holders. But actually that's it. I just wanted to take a minute, show you this Jeep. I'm going to go ahead and hop out. Now, as I've mentioned in my past videos, we have a lot of banks, a lot of lenders that are very eager to loan money out. And the majority of our customers that are coming in, they're actually purchasing vehicles with no money down. And you don't have to have superb, excellent credit. So don't let that stop you. You can actually go on our website and actually do an online application. We'll get you an answer pretty darn quick. And once you come in, take it for a test drive. If you like it, just sign your name on your documents. Take it home. Sign and drive. It's really that simple. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here. Area code 740-992-4443. But one thing I do want to mention, if you ever need any service after the sale, we've got a full service department here. We are not your normal run-of-the-mill used car lot. I mean, as of right now, with everything that we have on our lot, we usually carry between 60 to 80 units, and that's with cars, trucks, SUVs, vans. I mean, we just really have a lot of inventory, late model equipment of what we carry. Going over here to show you our truck department, which you are not able to see all of it, but that's where we keep our trucks at. But it's a beautiful morning up here in Pomeroy, Ohio. So feel free to give us a phone call if you got any questions on this Jeep Wrangler Sahara 3.8 liter engine. Have a great day.